Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking Excel into exact display behavior. Open Format Cells and pick Number or Custom. Set the decimal places you need. Once done, make sure Precision as Displayed is not enabled in Options unless you want permanent truncation. This prevents hidden binary rounding from surprising you. Also, switch any general cells to a specific number format immediately, because general auto-formats and can appear to round. These are the first actionable steps to stop Excel from rounding values. Next, make your inputs and formulas explicit. Ensure cells contain real numeric values. Convert text numbers with value. When calculations must avoid implicit rounding, wrap results in round with the precise digits, or choose roundup/rounddown for directional control. Trunc removes decimals without rounding. For display of many significant digits, use text with a custom format or increase decimal places. Remember, Excel stores about 15 significant digits, so format and functions. To finish, verify what Excel actually stores by increasing displayed decimals and inspecting values. This shows binary storage artifacts versus formatted rounding. Once verified, recalc with F9 and use Evaluate formula to find where rounding is introduced. If problems persist, check imported data formats, linked workbooks, or CSV settings that may cast numbers as text or apply rounding. As a troubleshooting tip, if you still see rounding, toggle Precision as Displayed briefly to test behavior, but avoid leaving it on because it permanently alters stored values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.